going to discuss the difference now between the sweet cherry and the red tart pie cherry. We've taken a look at the red tart pie cherry, and in terms of the pollination, the red tart cherry is what they call self-fertile. Means the pollen from one blossom to the other within the same tree can pollinate and have reproduction and produce the crop. Now we're taking a look at a sweet cherry tree here, and sweet cherry is totally different. The pollination has to come from one variety to another, and actually the bees are more critical in the sweet cherry production than they are in the tart cherry production. A nice dry windy day and the red tart cherries does a fairly good job along with the help of the bees. In the sweet cherries now, the pollen literally has to be taken from one variety to another, and as the bee flies and it comes in, he carries the pollen on the inside of his legs, straddles the pistil of this flower, and that's how the pollination period takes. If you could look into this orchard and see how these trees are planted, you would see that there are different varieties for every several rows of trees. So as the bee crosses and goes from one tree to another, the object is to carry that pollen from one variety to another. And as we look at these sweet cherries, again, a beautiful crop. I see all green pistils, and it appears that the pollination at this point has been good. Looking forward to a great crop.